She want me to drive the boat.
You wanna drive the boat. This is a Miss Moscato boat, okay? That's premium supreme things. Okay? Right, y'all? Right? Put in the thing if Meg should drive the boat.
Put in the thing if Niki should drive the boat. Drop some stallions. Drop stallions if you want her to drive the boat.
And drop unicorns if you want Meg to drive the boat.
So you know if they drop more stallions, you gotta drive the boat.
What up? No. I mean, okay.
Exactly.
Drop the unicorns, y'all.
Drop the stallions, y'all, if y'all want to drive the boat. Don't fucking play either. Look, that fucking shook.
Go on a live and tell me what they dropping. What they dropping?
Hey, go on live and drop the stallions first.
No. You better not.
Drop the stallions. Ooh, I see stallions already.
I don't.
There they go right there.
They dropping them.
Oh shit.
They
dropping unicorns and.
No, I see more stallions than unicorns.
I'm seeing unicorns.
You see one line of unicorns.
I know, I just thought two unicorns. No line of
Look,
unicorns.
they mixing them now. They mixing them.
No!
I don't see. Ooh, I see more unicorns.
You saw two.
Meg, let's go, Meg.
No, Nick, look.
And I might be going you, Meg.
I know you see all them stallions.
I can't see from that far away, bitch. I need to renew my LASIK thing for my eyes. But anyway, listen.
We're shooting Hot Girl Summer.
Ooh, I like that song.
I love that song.
Thank you. It's a pretty song.
It's a really
I
nice
heard it
song.
today and I was like, oh, she killed that song.
I said, damn, who the fuck that is?
I said, who is that bitch?
Who the fuck that is?
I was like, who gonna handle me?
Who gonna handle me? Thinking he's a player.
When you on a team, like, come on, let's go. And let you know what? Let's have a convo about that shit.
We ain't talking Hot Girl Summer. We talking about the
no, man. We no man. So, but we gonna back up. Oh gosh, she getting lit, y'all.
Don't let her fool y'all. Please don't let her fool y'all. Please don't let her fool y'all.
I'm a good girl.
Nikki's a bad girl.
And I'm not drinking.
Nikki's a hot girl.
Oh, I'm definitely a hot girl.
She's a fucking hot girl.
But I'm not a drinking hot girl.
And ooh. And I shoot.
I don't be laughing about that because that's the truth. Did I drink today? Yes or no?
I didn't see you personally.
Okay, all right. That's how rumors get started, Stallion, and that's what I'm calling you from now. First of all, if you know anything about me, I don't call people the real what everybody else calls. So I'm only gonna call you Stallion from now on.
Okay.
Because I'll just FYI, when I walked into Megan Thee Stallion's room today, she was like a foot taller than me. And I was really in there feeling like a tiny
I said, wow, my girl really is a little doll. Like,
and I was like, oh my God.
But when she put her heels on, though, she's standing, okay?
Even when I put my heels on, Miss Thing is, legs for days.
She's standing. She's standing on it.
But
she's a unicorn.
And yes, a unicorn and a stallion, and we cute. And we cute and we pretty and we smart. And you know what I'm saying?
And we're not.
And we think we cute. And our men like us.
Love us.
And we got that diamond punani.
You know what I'm saying?
That's what the fuck you don't got.
Rich bitch pussy on the club.
Oh, yeah. Oh, rich bitch pussy, bitch. Rich bitch pussy. Hello? Okay. It's a different level of pussy.
It's a whole different type of vagina. This pussy got diamonds on it.
Oh!
This pussy came with glitter.
This pussy smooth, yeah.
This pussy clean.
This pussy squeaky.
Hello?
Oh, boom.
Hello?
So, the fact that I didn't shoot not one motherfucking look for the video yet.
No, because we really
Stallion,
late.
But Stallion got me sitting up here on live chat talking about riding and driving the boat, bitch.
And sparkly pussy.
Well, I do have sparkly pussy, and I got rainbow pussy.
Oh.
She has unicorn pussy. It's very rare. I haven't personally experienced it, but like that's why I had heard. So
she lying. She did experience it earlier today. We was gonna keep it on the low, but
she blew my fucking cover.
Is Moneybag gonna? Is he gonna be mad?
Is Happy gonna be upset? I said something earlier, girl. She put me in check so fast. She was like, hold on, because my husband, he's in the other room. I was like, ooh.
Because I know he was back there, but only his husband. You said what you said, but that's
I ain't even going to say what I said. It's a secret.
And so,
but if it happened, we know what we got to do.
No, we not doing that. No, we not. I rebuke. So let's go.
Turn you really want me to
turn
up,
up,
Niki.
Mixed Moscato peach flavor for good. You got good. You want better pussy or you want good pussy?
Let me tell
you.
you
Want great pussy?
I have great pussy. Just FYI to everybody that's watching.
Every pussy could be better.
But listen, I don't drive the boat for nobody. You know I'm the captain of the boat.
Ooh.
So if I drive this boat right now, I'm gonna make her drive the boat eventually.
Who came 2 hours over here? And I be getting motion sickness. Who came 2 hours over here?
She did a lot.
Stallion.
She did a lot.
For Stallion.
I'm gonna swallow my pride and drive the boat for Niki. I have to drive the boat for the boy.
Yay! 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 Okay.
Don't fuck me up.
And yeah, because now you mixing liquor, bitch.
I am.
All right, but
I'm
this
ready.
is Moscato, child. It ain't gonna hurt my baby.
I'm ready.
Okay. Come on, Stallion. Guzzle up, guzzle up, baby girl. Ooh, yeah, take that dick. I mean,
you see what I'm saying? She's such a freaky girl. I cannot.
No.
How you gonna do a freaky girl song and not
that include Make the Stallion.
Oh, how you gonna do a freaky girl song and not include us?
Word.
I think we should. I think we should do that over.
So yeah. Ooh.
Friend.
Child, that's not a bad.
I think we should do that over.
That's not a bad idea.
I think we gotta give them that. The culture need that.
The culture needs
The
that.
culture.
Yeah, cause
How you gonna do a freaky girl song?
Ooh. Bye. That's how you been.
How?
Boobs is down,
Ass is out. Oh, hit it. Yeah. How the fuck are you gonna do that and not include us?
All right. You know what? First of all, you running the video in the overtime, and I want your label. I want your label to know that ain't got shit to do with me. But everybody, all the my hotties and my Barbies, we love y'all so much. And
It's a hot Barbie summer.
And we thank you guys for supporting this song. We love y'all. We
We're
love y'all
number one.
for everything.
We're number one.
Yes. And we thank you guys for being so supportive and so loyal to us. And we love you. And we about to do our thing with this video just to you, to show it to you. And Megan is drunk, but I'm not.
Don't let her lie to y'all. Okay, we're gonna call y'all back. We're gonna call y'all back when Niki out her act.
And save your live. Don't forget to save it because you know my fans will hurt.
Oh, hit it. Bye, y'all.